तो चलिए फ्रेंड दूसरा ट्यूटोरियल पढ़ते हैं। इंगेजिंग द तालिबान ऑन इंडिया एंड द अफगान रूलर्स। तो इस पर क्लिक करते हैं और इसको खोलते हैं। Engaging the Taliban on India, the Afghan ruler, India and religion powers should ensure that the Afghan ruler respect their people's right. India participation in a meeting of 10 national with Taliban officials in Macau and the signing of a joint statement that recognized the new reality in Afghanistan signal a described shift in the country approach toward the Islamic group. India has earlier taken a strong position against any kind of engagement with the Taliban in recent months. When the Taliban were making steadily advance toward Kabul, India has established contracts with the Taliban political official in Doha, Qatar, but this is the first time India meet a top Taliban delegation, um, delegation which included Deputy Prime Minister Abdul Salam Hafi, and according to a Taliban spokesperson promised to send aid. India has vital interest in Afghanistan. Over the 20 years it has made investment worth billions of the dollar, which it would want to be protect. Last time the Taliban, which have close ties with anti-India terrorist groups such as the LET and the JEM, were in power, India saw a rise in violent incident in Kashmir, as well as the hijacking of an Indian plan to Kandahar. Now the Taliban say that will not be allow Afghan soul to be used by any terrorist organization. It is in India interest to be make sure that the Taliban walk to talk. It would also not like to be seen an isolated Taliban being a Pakistani satellite to be meet this goal. Given the new reality in Afghanistan, engagement with the Taliban look a strategic necessity, but this is a policy that need to be pursued more through religion diplomacy than bilateral engagement. Bilateral India does not have much clout with the Taliban, but Afghan rulers who are struggling with economics on the brink of collapse are keener this time to engage with religion power. So the Macau tent, which included China, Pakistan, Iran, and the Central Asian publics, has some leverage. This country also have shared interest in seeing the Taliban severing its territories and Afghanistan being established, if not instability could once again step spade beyond Afghanistan border. For the Taliban should be ready to open up their government, share power with other political and ethnic communities, and start respecting the fundamental right of Afghan. The last 14 years of Afghanistan history are a brutal example of what could go wrong if one party or group tries to amass all power in its hands. Despite this historical precedent, the Taliban have shown little red lines to change their way. In the joint statement, India and the other asked the Taliban to keep their communicate commitment on forming an inclusive government and ensure that their territories is not being used by the terrorist group. This call should not end with the statement. While India and other religion countries should help Afghan during this period of economics message, they should also use their collective economics and political count to mount pressure on the Taliban to make political concession at home.